Hey everybody, Patrick from One Shot Kill It Media.
Today what we're going to do is go ahead and show you how to assemble the M&P Shield 9mm made by Smith&Wesson. If you haven't seen the video on disassembly, check that out too. I'll have the link here in the information for you. So let's go ahead and get started. We'll take a look at the disassembled M&P Shield. So we've got the frame, we've got the slide, we've got the barrel, and we've got the spring. And then of course we've got the magazines. So what we're going to do is go ahead and put all these items back together in accordance with the actual manual. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so to start with the assembly, I'm going to go ahead and grab my slide and my barrel. And I'm going to go ahead and put the barrel right back into the slide where it was. Alright, so now that we have our barrel in the slide, what we're going to do next is put the spring in. So we want to take our spring and make sure that we get it properly seated right here in the actual slide housing itself. So we're going to take that spring, make sure that it's nice right up here, push down on it, and make sure it's lined up nicely with the barrel. After that, what we're going to want to do is take our slide that's assembled here with the barrel and the spring, and then put that back onto the frame of the pistol itself. So let's go ahead and do that. We're going to line it up, make sure we can slide it all the way down. There we go. So we've got that lined up. Now what I'm going to do is pull the slide all the way back and then push the slide stop up so it holds this slide in the back, in the rearward position. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, there we go. So we've got that slide stop engaged, and that's holding that slide all the way back for us. So what we're going to do next then is go ahead and rotate the takedown lever 90 degrees so that way it's parallel again with the form of the gun with the slide. So let's go ahead, move that back. Alright, and then what we can do next is we can take one of our magazines. So I'm going to take the magazine that I have 2 cartridges loaded into, put that into the magazine well, and what that does is return that sear deactivation lever back to its original position. Now from there we can go ahead, we see that the magazine's holding the actual cartridge, and we can go ahead and release that slide lock or that slide stop. That loads the round into the chamber, safety is on, and now we have a fully functional loaded Smith&Wesson M&P Shield 9mm again. Thanks for watching everybody, appreciate it.